In this video, I've seen a setup on EURCAD, and I'll be taking some buys here. I have already taken some. I'll be explaining why I'm taking these buys. Let me redo the drawings so that you can see yourself. So I'm using Awesome Oscillator, and first of all, let me remove these arrows here, and I'll be using H for time frame. Okay, so I've opened several trades. I'll be going full margin on this account. So first of all, you can see a QM pattern here formed. There's a QM pattern. Let me draw the next arrow, forming higher high and lower low. That's a QM pattern. I'll be switching to H1 time frame. So let me draw the zone here. Yes, this is now my entry. This will be the demand zone, demand area. Let me open more buys. I'll be adding more buys so that we go full margin. So you see the Awesome Oscillator showing that we are in a divergence. This is a bullish divergence. So let me add more buys. So my zone, my target is the supply zone, the nearest supply zone. I'll be targeting that zone. So I'm adding more buys now. I want to add more trades. Already I've opened several of them. I'll be adding more. Let me add more. I want to go full margin. This is a $200 account. So I didn't record the other video on how I came to this, but I'm adding more now. Let me add more positions. Full margin. Okay, there we are. We shall now wait and see what will happen. As we can see, I'm still in a state of floating loss. Still in loss.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Now I'm in profits. You can see these are good profits. Already it is 100% profit. So already I've doubled the account. I have already doubled the account, the profits. So even at this state, you can close partially your profits. But I'll not be closing now. Let's still hold, see how far we can go. Now we are in good profits. This account from $200 to $500. These are good profits. I'll be closing my trades. This is good profit for this account. Not wait for more any longer. So that's it, guys. I'll be closing these trades. Trade has been well so far. I cannot hold more than this. However, you could as well close some and hold a few, but in this trade I'll be closing these profits. I want to scalp this account. I want to grow it to $1,000.